Yo, what's going on, guys? Playboi CJ here, back with another video, and today's video will be another unboxing video, and today's unboxing will be some Nike SBs, SB Dunks. So let's go and get it right into the video. And might I say, this pair of Nike SB Dunks is a very underrated pair of SB Dunks, and personally, I think it's a really nice color. Um, Picked them up for myself. Not too shabby on the price, like three something. They're going for like three something. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So I went ahead and picked up the Nike SB Bear Brick, Nike SB Bear Brick Dunks. So let me go ahead and pop them out here. Yeah, these are absolutely fire though. Straight pony hair uppers, gray soles, white midsole. This is a really nice shoe. The bear brick symbol actually on the side and on the tongue instead of the typical Nike SB that we're used to, and um, also, if we look in the tongue, it's also bear bricks all over the insole. I'm sorry, I forgot what it was called for a sec. It's bear bricks all over the insoles, and yeah, I'm digging what Nike and Bear Brick decides to do with this dunk. Um, Let me go ahead and pull the other one out so you can see. It comes with the white laces also, so um, I'll probably pop one of these into one of the shoes. But honestly, I think this is a really, really good collab, and I think that people are really sleeping on this collab. So I went ahead and picked me up a pair. I've definitely got to get a hold of Ben and Jerry Dunks, another pair of Travis Scott ones, because I did sell my Travis Scott ones and they went up in price, and I'm so mad about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some Travis Scott ones again. Um, Ben and Jerry Dunks, Travis Scott Dunks, and Travis Scott low top ones. Yeah, Travis Scott low top ones. Yeah, I'm gonna pick all of those up. But yeah, this also has a leather um, inside to the shoe, and it's not a lot of the shoes that come with leather insoles, and I just think it's like more of a like luxury touch to the shoe, to be honest. So um, yeah, I personally think that that was a nice touch to the shoe. It really goes with the black and the white, and the gray sole really touches it up all together nice. Yeah, I just think this was a really nice collab dunk. So I didn't really show off the box too much. I got this pair off Goat actually, um, size 9.5. Um, Came with the Go authentication and the typical Go sticker, so you know they're authentic. But I usually go and take a black light to mine anyway, so let me go ahead and grab my black light. Get yourself a black light. You'll save yourself thousands of dollars, because just off of this, you can tell whether it's a fake or not. So it shouldn't have any markings on the bottom. So that's what we're looking for. Anything that symbolizes anything fake. Yeah, like it should be like a letter or something, and you could definitely tell um, if people have been trying to take the marks off with alcohol, because a lot of the fakes, they try to swab off all the they try to swab off all the markings with alcohol, because alcohol gets the markings off. Wow. I could tell that they went ham with the glue at Nike on these. Check this out. I don't know if you can see that there, but I don't think the camera's focused enough for that. But let me see. I don't know if you can see that, but it's hella glue right there. But yeah, shoes looking good. Bear Brick sign is lighting up. Let's go to the back of the shoe. Let's go to the back of the shoe. Yeah, these are checking out good. The inside, the stitching is good. I don't see anything that would make it seem as a fake. I don't see any markings or anything besides the glue, but that's typical stuff because it's pony hair all over the shoe. So yeah, these are legit. Yeah, so I always like to test my shoes with a quick light. But yeah, these are definitely gonna go on the toe because these are definitely fire. So yeah, if you missed out on this drop, I highly suggest you go pick yourself up a pair of these Nike Dunks. I've really been getting into the Nike Dunks. Let's see compared to one of my pair of Dunks, the material. I've got my purple lobsters right here. All suede uppers. I love the Nike SBs a lot. Yeah, not too much difference with the tongue. Yeah, so there's not too much difference. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. If you definitely missed out on this drop, go ahead and pick yourself up a pair. And, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, sub to the channel. I definitely am gonna put these on the toe for sure. No doubt about that. Let me know if I should start doing giveaways, or comment down below what shoe I should cop next out of the shoes I named: the Jerry Dunks, one of the Travis Scotts. So yeah, Playboi CJ, and I'm out.